How to join channel in Discord PC on laptop. If you'd like to join a channel on Discord on PC on your laptop, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. First of all, you just have to launch the Discord application on your laptop. Then, if you want to basically join a server that you have an invitation to, on the left hand side you can see the option called plus icon that says add a server. When you go to add a server, over here you will find an option that says join server. So you can click on join server, and if you have got an invitation link, you can just paste the link and hit the join server button to be able to join that community. Now in another case scenario, if you want to explore some of the public servers that are available, on the left hand side again you can find the discover icon, which is the compass icon. You just have to make sure to click on it, and over here you'll find many options, so just select a certain one that you prefer, and once you've done that, you will be able to go ahead and then basically join that server as well. So this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically join community on Discord on laptop. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.